Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another hijab tutorial. How are you keeping? How are you doing out there? It's a very trying time for all of us, but we must keep going. There's no question about it. Whatever difficulties, whatever hardships, whatever it is out there, we've got to ask our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us the blessing, the guidance, and to help us to stay focused and be strong. That's the word. We have to try and be strong. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for his blessings in being strong. Well, today we're going to put together this really, really beautiful party looking dress up look. You don't have to go to a party for this. You can just, if you're going out and you want to get dressed up, this is it. It's simple, it's easy, it's elegant, and it's so quick. It just looks like it's not quick, but it's very quick. And I'm going to show you how we can achieve this look just using a rectangular shawl, and just quick and easy. So stay with me. Let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so here we are. We've got a rectangular shawl, a short side and a longer side, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's just getting dressed up today so I can show you how we get this dressy look. Now what I've done is I folded it a bit. I'm going to put it at the very end of my ninja. I'm wearing my ninja to cover my neck. Make sure there's coverage everywhere. And I'm going to put it to the very end. Bring it down to the bottom. Fold it in a tiny bit. And then I'm going to use a safety pin. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this whole shorter side, and I'm going to bring it across really nicely. Simple as that. Simple as that. Keep it right there. See that? And we're going to put it right here. We're going to just put a pin right here. Nice, I like that. We've got all the folds nicely. Looks just take a little bit of finessing so we can get that nice full look on this side. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put one of these right here. I'm gonna stick it right here because we're getting a dressy look today, right? Remember that. And we're gonna just put it right here. Beautiful. See that? Good. Now what we're going to do with the longer side is we're going to bring that across. My dear viewers, it's absolutely gorgeous and absolutely simple with full coverage. And we're going to just put that let's see. Just going to pin it right here with a long stick pin. And then you fuss around with it and you fix your plate, and so that it looks nice and presentable. And on this side, what I'm going to do, just to keep all the pleats in place, I'm going to put a stick pin right here. And you can use any one that you have. It's absolutely gorgeous. got that nice feel about it. It's dressy. And it has nowhere to go. Make sure that your pleats sit nicely. That's it. That's all. Good. So it looks like it's got a nice, really, really nice flow to it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now what I'm going to do, just to keep that in place, see with a little bit of a look there, I'm going to put a stick pin, one of those headless ones, so it keeps it in place nicely. And we are done. Absolutely beautiful. Make sure that we have scarves in the back. We've got lots of room for it. Lots of room. And we have full coverage in the front. We've got scarf in the back. And we've got this most beautiful, elegant look. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's for dressing up. It's not for your everyday use. It's just getting dressed up. And that's what we've done. Get it dressed up. You can just, if you want to make sure that you have your pleat stays in place, it's easy. You know, this is not an everyday look. It's a dress up look, right? So you can put a stick pin in there and it keeps everything so beautifully. So beautiful. So I hope you're going to try that. I hope that you like what I did. It's a simple, you know, simple style. Just take a little bit of working with it and you've got this really beautiful dress up look. My dear viewers, I hope you like that. And if you did like that, please do hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family. Share it with all those girls in your life, that they can experience a nice look. Just simple yet elegant, gorgeous. It's dressy. It's getting dressed up, you know. Sometimes every so often we need to get dressed up, and this is what we do. I mean, we are covered. We're beautifully covered, full coverage with a nice look. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon and tick off the all so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Okay, well, my dear viewers, do stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your family. And always do your bit to do your best. Always do your best. You know, if we failed, but we have done our best, then in our hearts and in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we would have done our best. Failing is okay, but not trying is not okay. If you try and you fail, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you the blessings of trying. And He knows. He's the one who is the one. He's the creator. He knows everything. So make sure you do your bit in trying your best every day. Every day. I mean, yes, we are humans and we make mistakes and we have flaws. And yes, we are weak. But, you know, when you're in a downtime, do your bit to try and pick yourself up. Lift yourself up. And stay close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And He will help you. He says, you know, you come to me, I will come running to you. So please do your bit in uplifting yourself and trying to keep yourself, you know, close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My little sermon for today. I hope you're all going to, you know, take a little bit out of it and put it into practice in your life. Inshallah. I thank each and every one of you for being here with me in this platform. And until we meet again, do stay safe and take care of your families and take care of you. This is Naz saying Assalamu alaikum.